So let's go back a little bit before we come forward to 2025. Let's have this conversation, what we need to have to understand where we are now from where we've come from. Yeah? So there's a rumor back in the day, Jordan was called the Black Cat, the king of the beast, the guy who is on the top of the food ladder in the NBA. 2006, they released the Jordan Black Cats 4, or the Jordan 4 Black Cats, however you want to say it. Same thing. Alongside that, they released a pure white version of the same kicks, but they call it Pure Money. Roll on a year, they did well. People liked them. They liked the all black. So you know what we'll do? We release the same thing, the Black Cats, in the Jordan 3s. And they did. Roll on 18 years later, the first release of 2025 for the Jordan brand is the Jordan 3 Black Cats, which me and you are about to get into. Let's go. So I've realised we need to make this more and more about the kick. Not about my opinion, not what I think. Obviously, I'm going to tell you that, but it's about the kick. The kick is the centre stage. So what we're going to do is, first off, what does a kick come in? It comes in this. The Jumpman black lid box with the elephant print around the sides, all the way around. On the label, it says black, dark, charcoal, white, UK, my size, then all the other little bits. There's nothing more in this box apart from tissue. Obviously, it's the elephant print tissue. Now, let's get into what we've come here for. The kicks. The Black Cat Jordan 3s. Now, let's do what we always do. Let's start with the sole. We have the typical Jordan 3 sole with the Jordan branding right through the middle from the heel right to the midfoot. We have that kind of target place at the ball of the foot and all the grip around the shoe as well. It's got the little stars on the grip to give you that extra grip on court so you don't mash up your legs, you know. But that's the sole. The midsole is the Jordan 3 midsole. You can see it's black gloss. We've got an air bubble in the heel that travels around the foot and stops at the toe box. We have the mudguard with the undersole traveling up onto the midsole and then the stitching going around there. Let's talk about the iconic mudguard, the elephant print mudguard, but this time it's all in black because it's the Black Cat. So here we have it, that elephant print mudguard going all the way around the toe. Look at that, look at it. It's just nice. Yeah. We then have another mudguard, which is in a patent leather, traveling all the way around the shoe. And as you can see, it's just shining away. It's just shining away. It is nice. On top of that, this all sits on the base of a nubuck suede leather. It is nice to touch. It feels great. And it's separated by those eyelets, which have the 3 plastic hooks and then the eyelets at the bottom. Now, this is a reimagined. This is not like the original. So we have that reimagined tongue where the padding sits behind the tongue. See it making it more aerodynamic. And on top of that, we have the Jumpman logo, which seems to be like a see-through kind of plastic, but it's black. That iconic Jumpman. Inside, we have black felt inner lining. Inside, you've got the Jordan Jumpman logo, as you can see right there. I haven't even tried to take out the insoles, but yes, you can take them out. There's not really much to see about those. There's no writing on the underside like an Emma Meunier or anything like that. It's just an insole, the standard Jordan insole. If we go to the heel of the kick, we've got the Jumpman icon in pure black and air written underneath. That looks special, doesn't it? It just looks so nice. We have the classic plastic heel pull at the back. We have 18 years this is taken to come out. And what they have done, apart from the reimagined bit with the toe box and things like that, they've kept it true size in terms of black. They've even given you what they call the black cat or the leopard lacing. I'd probably call it the elephant lacing. As you can see there, it kind of goes on. This actually came out with the originals as well. So they've kept it true to size. They might have reimagined the kick itself, but they've kept it true to the original released in 2007. Let's get into this. I like it a lot. Okay, 2025, I'm buying what I like because I want to wear them. However, if I have one criticism of them, it's the laces. Now, I don't know what the laces were like in 2007 when they first released them, but I do know what laces Jordan give you with a lot of their Jordan kicks now. These do not feel quality. They feel more like a ribbon, if I'm honest with you. I don't know if they had to do that because of the print. I don't know what the laces were like before, but these let it down. It's like, this is all quality. This is all quality. And then they just ran out of ideas or ran out of money and gave you these type of ribbon type laces, which are just not great in my opinion. I'm not even too sure if I like the elephant print or leopard print on it. I'd have to get used to it. I don't know, if I'm honest with you. You let me know what you think. I know these were iconic to these kicks, and I'm glad they've given you exactly what they were when they first come out, because let's be honest, there's a lot of sneakerheads out there who get upset when they don't release what was originally the release. But like I said to you, I don't want my 2025 looking my 2007 kicks. I want someone to say new kicks. I just want it a little different. Will I swap these out? I think these would just look better with a black lace. I'm honest with you. So I'm not mad at it, but those are my little gripes. Those are my little about it. Nothing too much. But these released on the 11th of January 2025. They sold for £190. They did sell out fast. I managed to hit mine on sneakers. I'm not sure a lot of people went for them, but I'm glad I did. I also managed to hit on Offspring. That was a bit of a nightmare. I know I've seen a lot of social media saying they're trying to click and it was all sold out, even though it wasn't sold out. I actually hit on Offspring in the wrong size. I know. I pressed my size, it went in basket, I went great, and it was the wrong size. So they've got to be sent back. But other than that, I'm just happy to have these in hand. These are my first pickups in 2025. I did pick up some more, but they delivered in 2025. So they're not my pickups in 2025. This is the new one released in 2025. This is the first of 2025. So let me know what you think. The 2025 Black Cats, 18 years on, I think it's something to have in your collection. I didn't have the original ones. I like these ones. If they released a Pure Money all white version of these with the silver, whatever, I think I would definitely get them. I would definitely get it. It complete the collection. Remember, Jordan 4's Black Cats were released with Jordan 4 Pure Moneys in the same year. So, yeah, I like. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, hit notification bell. It really helps if you comment and like, and we go back and forth, tell me what you think about them. And there's not much more to say, but look out for my other videos. I'm hoping to do a lot more this year. So again, thank you. All those people watching, all those people subscribed. Love it. If you haven't, just subscribe now, man. It really helps. All right. Patrick T, I'm out. Peace.